This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off info cards on the YouTube app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the YouTube app. To enable or disable info cards, first thing you want to do is open up settings. I'm going to go off to the lower right hand corner down to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then in the upper right hand corner, I'm going to tap on the little gear wheel. Then you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the video and audio preferences section. In playback, you want to tap on playback. And then right in here, show in-video info cards. The toggle for it, by default, it's probably toggled on as you see mine is, but to turn that off, you would just tap on the toggle. That turns off the info cards, and to enable it, to turn it on, you tap on it. Now it's turned on. That is how to turn on or off the info cards on the YouTube app using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.